Dear student, my name is Abhishek. In this C++ programming tutorial, I am going to be your instructor. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain you how to write a very fast C++ program. So all of you know C++ is an object-oriented programming language. If I want to write and execute a C++ program, in that case, a software is required. I am using Developer C++ IDE to write a very fast program. You can download this Developer C++ IDE from Developer C++ site. I have already downloaded it on my machine. Now I want to open this IDE to write very fast program. So simply double click on this icon. I double click it and you can see the IDE is open. Here you can write a program. So go to the file menu, file, new and source file. Click here and you can write the program here. As we know, the execution of every C++ program starts from main function. So this is the main function of C++ program. I want to display a very simple message, hello world. In C++, there is a predefined object, cout. Cout is a predefined object which is used to display information on output screen. Whatever you want to display, put inside double quotation mark. I want to display hello world. And put semicolon at the end. If you want to use cout object, in that case, you need to include one header file, #include iostream.h. iostream.h. This is a header file. In most of the IDE, we include iostream.h for cout object, but in Developer C++ IDE, we don't write extension .h. So write simply iostream. So this is the header file which is containing the definition of cout object. And there is one more statement you need to write, that is using namespace std. Std stands for standard. So we have to include one more statement, that is std. Now our program is ready to execute. But before executing this program, we need to save it. So go to the file menu, file and click on save or save as. I am clicking here on save menu. You give the name of program, you can give any name. I am giving, suppose, my program. This is the name. You can give any name. Then click on save button. Now our program is ready to execute. To execute this C++ program on this Developer C++ IDE, go to the execute menu, execute, and you can see the option compile and run. Or you can press F11 from the keyboard. This is the shortcut. I am clicking on this option and you can see the output. Program is compiling and now program is execute and you can see hello world as the output. So this was the very first program. I show you how to write a very first C++ program by using Developer C++ IDE.